Swiss chard originates from a wild version of the beet that naturally grew in the Mediterranean. The original variety has been traced back to the largest Mediterranean island, Sicily. It was known by the ancient Greeks, but it is difficult to pinpoint chard in historical records because it went by many names similar to beets, spinach, kale, and greens. A relatively new and extremely exciting variety, Swiss Chard Peppermint, is a very attractive two-tone Swiss chard. Stalks graduate from flamingo pink to white with deep green, Savoy-type leaves. A multifunctional vegetable, this alluring chard will not only add color to the veggie patch, but also look stunning in the flower border. Swiss chard prefers loose, deep, and fertile soil that is rich in organic matter. Plenty of consistent moisture is required, especially as plants grow larger. It grows best in full sun, but will tolerate light shade in summer. A liquid fertilizer or compost tea applied twice during the summer will keep chard growing well. Good companion plants for Swiss chard include leeks, kale, cabbage, lettuce, marigolds, celery, peas, bush beans, rosemary, mint, thyme, basil, chives, lavender, kohlrabi, radish, onions, garlic, and collard greens. You should not plant chard next to sunflowers, beets, amaranth, pumpkins, melons, corn, potatoes, or cucumbers. Peppermint Swiss chard also has a strong disease tolerance, compact, upright growing habit with high yields. Tender leaves are delicious, cooked, and raw. Stems can be eaten pickled, raw, or cooked. Swiss chard is high in vitamins A, K, and C. It is also rich in minerals, dietary fiber, and protein.